Logo, bell tone. Text, setup of TV Link 2. Connect cables to TV Link 2, analog or digital. 2 cables connect to ports at the back of the device. TVs appear with the TV Link 2. Text, connect cables to TV, analog or digital. Diagrams show 3 connection options. The first includes an adapter with 2 cables. The second shows 2 cables and ports. The third shows a single cable. Coaxial and optical cables connect. Text, pairing to hearing instruments. Hearing aids appear next to the TV Link 2. An arrow points to a switch at the back. A person presses the switch and time passes on a timer. The timer stops at 14:28 and musical notes appear next to the hearing aids. Text, 1 hearing instrument to 3 TV Link 2s. They hold the button at the back of a TV Link 2 and time passes on a timer. They repeat the process with another TV Link 2. The timer stops at 18:40 and musical notes appear next to the hearing aids. Text, many hearing instruments to same TV Link 2. 5 pairs of hearing aids appear next to the TV Link 2. One by one, the timers stop and musical notes appear next to the hearing aids.